Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you some review of the Born Pretty nail kit. So this is known as all-in-one bundle kit. So basically if you have this kit you can do your nails at home because it's come with all the stuff that you need. So that you get a mini nail file, you get a little manual for the nail LED lamp, and it's basically a 4-well LED lamp, and you got 4 different LED on the top. You get 2 packet of tip guides. These are French tip guides. Then you get this chrome powder, which I'm gonna use later on. Then you get this nail lamp. So basically you're gonna use that cable to plug it or to supply the energy electricity, and then you get the 6-in-1 gel plate. So basically this one can be used for 6 different uses. I'm gonna be using it as 3 different ways, but I guess you can use it as many as way you can. Then you get plenty of nail tips. So you get French tips, and these are different sizes and shape. I think is the same, so they're square, but they're different lengths and sizes. So basically if you have extra wide nail bed, this is gonna be perfect for you, and if you have small nail beds, then it's gonna be perfect for you as well. The nail tips are pretty good, so the quality is not bad, it's good. You can definitely do your extensions at home if you want to. So you get coffin nail tips. So first thing I'm gonna do is to use it as a glue. So I'm using this spray can because I'm just gonna test how strong is this glue. So basically I just don't want to ruin my own nail because you can't expose your natural nail to this much strength or power. So I'm just gonna press on that button. That's something kind of touch button, I guess, because I try to press it and you can't feel it. So just gonna press it over there, and when you turn the lamp on, it's gonna be only for 60 seconds. So it's gonna stay on for 60 seconds. Here you can see me applying pressure on the nail, and you can see that it's not removing. I'm applying pretty much pressure to remove it, and it's not moving from there. Here I'm gonna apply and use the 6-in-1 nail glue as a base coat for the chrome powder. So I'm just gonna apply it on the nail tip, then I'm gonna cure it using the same lamp, and it's got cured pretty well in just 60 seconds. So basically enough. And I'm using the nail guides that came with the kit to create this nail art. This is how does the chrome powder look like. It goes a cap on the top, then it's got a seal, and you will definitely need to remove it. And look at this pretty red color, and it's come with the applicator. So basically you're gonna use it to apply the powder on your nail. Don't remove the sticky layer from your base coat because that's why it's gonna be used as a glue for this chrome powder, and you can see that it's giving you pretty good coverage in just one coat. If you want to buy this kit, you can easily get it from Amazon, but if you want to buy something from the official website, I'm gonna leave my link coupon code in description bar, which is monbreed code 30, and that one is gonna give you 10% off, and obviously I'm gonna get a small commission from that. And I'm also gonna leave the official link of the website so that you can get any product that you want to, and even from there I'm gonna get a little bit of commission. So it's up to you. If you want to use it, then you can use it, and if you don't want to use it, then it's totally up to you. But if you want to get this kit, you're gonna get it from Amazon, and I definitely recommend it. You go for it because it has got all the stuff that you need for your nail art, like perfect manicure. So after removing the nail tip, guys, I'm just gonna use the same gel polish, which means the 6-in-1 nail glue, as a top coat. So I use it as base coat, I use it as glue, and now I'm using it as a top coat. So I already figured out 3 different uses. I'm just gonna apply it on the top, and after that I'm just gonna cure it for 60 seconds because those colors should be good enough. Based on the consistency of the gel polish, it does look like kind of builder gel polish, like it has that kind of consistency. And once you cure it, this is how it does it look like. I removed the sticky layer obviously because it has got the sticky layer, and if you see, it's look like more like a cat eye magnetic chrome powder, because if you change the side from where you're viewing the nail, it just changes the shade. So yeah, this is it for today's video. Hope you liked, and we'll see you very soon. Bye.